In a remote forest, a group of adventurers set out to tackle a unique survival challenge, spending a night with only natural resources. After gathering around a campfire, they faced their first task, building a shelter from fallen branches, leaves, and debris. Each member employed the classic A-frame technique to create a sturdy structure, ensuring it was positioned on higher ground to avoid rain. They also layered evergreen boughs for insulation, demonstrating how warmth can be preserved naturally. As night fell, the group marveled at their creation, realizing that teamwork and resourcefulness had transformed a handful of materials into a safe haven, ensuring a cozy night's rest. This journey not only tested their skills, but deepened their appreciation for nature's offerings.